JX45H Backhoe Loader, equipped with 75 kilowatt diesel engine, is a versatile and robust machine designed for heavy-duty operations. With equally sized wheels and thicker bucket arms, its stability and durability have been improved. The driver's cabin has been optimized for safety with ROPS and FOPS certification and more spacious and luxurious interiors. JX45H comes with 3 steering modes: 4-wheel steering, 2-wheel steering, and crab walking to accommodate various working environments and reduce turning radius. And with optional extendable digging arm, the maximum digging depth can reach up to 5,100 millimeters.